And if you are interested in the welding equipment I'm using, I'm gonna tell you a little bit about it. This is my welder. It's an Allmax brand 250 amp AC/DC TIG welder. It has quite a bit of settings, but still not enough for me. This is only for stick welding. This is pre-gas flow. This is the main current setting. And this is for pulse. This is the background current for the pulse. Downslope and pulse frequency. And this is the length of the pulse. This is AC balance. This is gas after flow. And here you can switch pulse and straight current. This is AC and DC. And here of course is TIG and stick. And this is 40 and 2T. Which means 2T means that you have to press this down all the time. And 40 is just one click and the arc goes on, and when you want to stop you press it again. For this job I mainly used the 40, so I didn't have to keep my fingers on the torch all the time, because that thing got really hot and I actually did burn my fingers a little bit. And the torch I'm using is from Shop River. It's not a very expensive torch, but I really like it. I think it's very good. It's extremely small. It's very easy to hold. And I have a gas lens set up on it. This is number 7 gas lens. And right now I have a 2.4mm 2% lanthanated electrode in it. And this is the setup I like to use the most. I usually use a 1.6mm electrode, but that wasn't enough for 180 amps. Actually, I might have needed to use an even bigger electrode, because this thing does ball up pretty much, but it was still okay. And this is a flex neck torch, so this part is flexible. And the cover is also very nice, I like it. It's made of kind of a jean fabric. It's very, very flexible. This is how I usually hold it. I have this thing wrapped around my arm. And yes, the torch is also water cooled. And this is the water cooling system I have. It's fabricated by me. It has an aluminum tank. And this is the hose for the pump, which is here. This is the pump. I haven't yet attached it to the tank. It will go around here. Maybe it goes here if I ever get it attached. And this is a 12-volt DC pump, and I have a battery charger running it. Not a very compact system, and also this pump is not very powerful, but it's okay for now. It handles 150 amps pretty nicely. And this is the cold water hose from the pump. It goes right here into the cover, and the return hose is the same as the power cable, so it also cools the power cable down, which is quite nice, because the cable is water cooled. It can be pretty small and flexible, and this is where the water comes out. And it goes here. I have some pneumatic air quick connectors here and here, so the torch can be detached very fast. And of course I am using argon gas, 100% argon. So this is my setup. Pretty much only thing that is missing from this welder is the AC frequency setting. It has a solid setting of 60 Hz, which is a little too less for many jobs. But so far there hasn't been a thing that I haven't gotten welded on this machine. This is a Chinese machine, but it's okay for me for now. Maybe sometimes I will get a new welder. Maybe a Miller or Kempi or Esop or something like that. But this is okay. And also I do have a foot pedal for it, which is here. And by the way, this is another project for the same car actually. This is also made by me.